All right, guys, welcome back. I'm currently in a trade. I know many of you have been waiting for this video. As you can see, I'm currently in a trade, and you can see the lot of trade. I entered this trade with confidence. You can see my profit here, $9. All right, so I've been on this trade for the past 15 minutes, and I expect it to hit my take profit. You can see my take profit and my stop loss here. All right, so I'm going to show you guys how to enter any trade, whether it's forex or it is volatility index, or it's it's crash and boom, or whatever market you want to trade. All right, let me cancel this so that my screen is going to be larger. Right, so I'm going to show you how to enter any trade. See, this strategy is 99% accurate. Yeah, for me to tell you that it is 99% accurate, I want you to believe so. It is 99% accurate. If and only if you follow what I'm about to show you, you follow it strictly. If you don't follow it strictly, you will lose all your money. Some of you might end up, as you watch this video, you just go and get the indicators and you think you are smart. No, things don't work that way. Things don't work that way. If I don't show you what to do, you're going to lose all your funds. Now, let me just select a random market. All right, let me select okay, let me select, or I should open a new. Okay, let me just use this. I'll start from here. Let's use volatility 100. I'm going to delete all these things you see on my screen. I'll delete everything. I'm coming. Yeah, and sorry, this is not the template. Yes, I built a template already. I already built a template for this. Come in. So if you need a template, just click on the link below. And you get all the indicators I'm about to show you. Some of you don't believe in indicators. I also don't believe in indicators, but what I'm about to show you is going to help you. For those that trade using smart money concept, it's kind of, there are some indicators that were created using that same concept, and it will help you get your sniper entries. All right. Now, how do you place your trade? When you open a random market, whether it is Nasdaq or any currency pair or even volatility or even crash and boom, all right, the first thing you need to know is to identify the trend of that market. All right, you need to identify the trend of that market. Now, to identify the trend, some of you don't know how to identify trends. You don't know how to identify trends. So, in case you don't know how to identify trend, there are some indicators. I'm going to give you that indicator also. There are some indicators that you will need to apply. All right, so I have an indicator here that uh coming. I have an indicator here that is going to show you the trend of the market. Okay, I'm coming. Let me just open my navigator and select Dr. Trend. All right, so this indicator is going to show you the current trend of that market. All right, and the past trend. It will show you the trend of that market at that moment. You can see this blue sign is showing you that this is an uptrend. You can see it is forming higher highs and higher lows. This is the uptrend. Now, the downtrend has started here. All right. Make sure you identify the trend on a higher time frame. You identify the trend on a higher time frame, either H1, H4, or the daily time frame, or even weekly time frame for those of you that trade like that. All right. So currently, you can see I'm on a what downtrend, and this is where the downtrend started. It started when this candlestick broke the former low on the higher on the uptrend. So this is where the downtrend started. As you can see, this red is showing us that we're in downtrend. So identify the trend. That is the first thing that should come to your mind. The second thing you have to do is to identify the zones. All right, you identify the zones. The zone, what I mean by zone is the supply and demand zone. For example, we are in a downtrend. The downtrend is not just going to continue like that. It's not that the market is going to continue going down. No. At some point, there will be a pullback. All right. There will be what? A pullback where the market will retrace. It will do as if it's going up, but it's still going down. All right, as you can see, the market was going down. All right, it was going down. At some point, it what? It tried to go up. It will go down again, go up, go down. Let's look at this uptrend. Look at this uptrend. It went up, it came down, went up, came down, went up, came down. Look at this point. So you have to identify the zone, that point. If you are in a downtrend, you look at that point that the markets try to go up. All right, you look at that point where the market tried to what? Try to go up. If you zoom out very well, you'll be able to see it. Now from here, I can pick this. I'm going to use the green candle. I can identify this as one of my zones, and I can also identify this as one of my zones. All right, so I've marked my zones like that. It will be better for me to give you an example from the market that has already appeared. Let us use this uptrend. Let's assume we are using this uptrend as our trade. All right, now I'm going to use the red candle, that went downwards before the up candle move upwards before it form another high. So that's where I'm going to pick. All right, I'm also going to pick this red candle here. I'm going to pick it as another zone. That is the second step. The first step is that you identify the trend. The second step is that what? You mark the zones. Now the last thing you're going to do is your entry. Now this is where the indicator comes in. This is where you need to get this indicator. Now I've already attached the indicator on my screen. You can't see it until I go to the lower time frame. Now when you go to the lower time frame, now since we are looking at the up trend, so we are going to be looking for buys only. If the indicator is showing you a sell trade, do not enter that trade. If the indicator is telling you to sell, you don't need to enter that trade. Now what we are going to be doing is that when we see the market close to the zone, you can see this is a demand zone. All right, this is a demand zone. So when you see this star, this green star in the demand zone, you should be expecting what? A buy. So when this star showed us like this, what you are going to do is that what you are going to place a buy trade, and you set your take profit either in take profit 1, 2, or 3, and you can see your stop loss 1, 2, 3. All right, so when I place my buy trade, you can see it went to take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. It's almost hit take profit 3, but you can do trail stopping. You can be setting your stop loss. Once it hits take profit 1, you just set your stop loss here. If it goes to take profit 2, you set your stop loss there, and you continue like that. Here also, you can see the market came down to this demand zone, and it continued going up, up. So there are other points you need to take note of. There are other points you need to take note of, which I'm going to be giving to those that come to my to message me privately on WhatsApp or Telegram. I'll be telling you how to use this this system effectively. You can see I've already set the whole thing on all my markets, and I can use it to place trades. Let's look at crash. Look at those of you that want to be catching spikes on crash and boom. This strategy is very, very perfect for it. Look at it. It gave us an entry here. All right, it gave us an entry, and you can see what the market did. Very close to the zone. It gave us an entry close to the zone. You can see what it did. It hit TP3 and it even continued. Look at this one, gave us a buy trade, but we are not supposed to enter it. We are not supposed to enter the buy trade because we are looking at a downtrend. Look at this also. It gave us an entry here. It went down toward TP3. Let's look at this. Look at this here. Very close to the zone. Once it gave us like this, it never went up to your stop loss. It went down to your take profit. So this system is actually very, very, very effective for those of you that want to be trading anything that has to do with currency markets or stock markets or even indices, even crash and boom. You can use it to catch spikes, guys. You can use it to catch spikes. So guys, if you need this system, just click on the link in the description below and you'll get it. I'll show you how to set the whole thing up, and I'll see you in my next video. The results, those of you that are interested in the results of the trade I placed on volatility 201s, you can also send a message to me privately. I'll show you. And if you also need more explanation on how to use this system, you can also send a message before purchasing it. I'll show you how to use it. To purchase it, I know some of you want to hear the price. It's very, very cheap, but I'm not going to mention it in this video. You can come to me privately and we're going to discuss. See you guys in the next video. Take care and stay safe. Bye for now.